Hello and welcome to this beautiful live that you're going to be seeing today with a brand new collection. मैं शुरुआत करने वाली हूँ with some stunning dupattas that you're going to be seeing in two crafts, which is mainly, of course, बनारसी तो है ही इसमें, but which is बांधनी and which is पैठनी. So there are going to be 5 statement dupattas with which we're going to start. जिसमें से एक दुपट्टा मैंने already पहना हुआ है, absolutely exquisite, absolutely beautiful. अच्छा, दूसरी बात जो है अभी का हॉट जो कलर है हमारा that is the केसरिया कलर. Hello and a very warm welcome to everyone joining in. Hope you're doing really well. And this केसरिया color is what we're going to be showing you. Last live जो हमने किया था 4 बजे, which was a couple of days back, I think, oh my god, the amount of, asking for the Kesariya dupatta, the amount of love that you guys are showing, it's amazing. Of course, this is one of our colors for this season. This entire year, you're going to see some stunning pieces. But first things first, this absolutely beautiful, exquisite, just unbelievable in its craft. This is the piece that I'm wearing and I'm going to show it to you in just a bit. But today, just to give you a recap, कि आज हम क्या क्या आपको दिखाने वाले हैं. As I said, 5 statement dupattas. That's what we're going to start with, and then we're going to have the chinia suits with the most gorgeous palette with scallop dupattas, full suits Banarsis, 26,000 K range mein. And then we have some silk fabrics, Munga silk suits, a Georgette suit that last time was sold out. This time it was sold out in Munga. We've done it in Georgette this time. So that's a recap. Let's get started and let's start showing you the beautiful pieces that we have for you. Now that's the first one. If a statement piece, that's what you've been looking for, this is your piece. Can you see the really fine work? And if you can believe it, of course, this is all done by hand. The most beautiful Sona Rupa border, at there. The tassels will be done. It's just fresh off the loom. We just wanted to kind of show it to you. But you can see the beauty right there. This is one Kesariya color, one statement piece for you. Yes, chinia silk and Munga silk are both season friendly. I am wearing a chinia silk and I will talk to you a little more about it जैसे ही वो collection पे हम आएंगे. But that's a very good question and I'm glad you really asked it. Now look at that. That's the full complete design of it. No more details of this gorgeous piece by sending us a screenshot and getting more details. So that was number 1. Number 2 is what I have in my hand right here, and look at that. Look at the gorgeousness of this piece. There you go. Here it is. One gorgeous piece for you. And this is the second craft that we are showcasing to you, which is Petni. Now look at the Meena. Look at the exquisite detailing. But what's also so beautiful in it is this whole play of this very red, but which has a touch of pink, and also the inplay of red and pink in the Meena designs as well. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes, with figure. There is floral design with figure. One of our premium dupattas, and all of these, जो अब next pieces हैं, सारे statement pieces are from our premium collection in different kinds. So that's one exquisite piece. If I were to kind of wrap this up, I'm just going to kind of show it to you so that it's easier for you to see. Look at that. Look at the beauty of this piece. अब इसको आप plain silk suits के साथ पहने, contrasting suit के साथ पहने. That's your full look to go for. I'm going to wear it from this side so that you can see the design. Elaborate, stunning. These are absolute masterpieces. Wear it on suit. Wear it on lehengas, of course. You can drape them very easily. These are pieces of collection. One quick glimpse again for you. And going on to the next is season ka, in fact. Bandhni dupatte mein hamari ek speciality hai, which is going to be black bandhni dupatta, white bandhni dupatta, and yes, Kesariya. You saw the Kesariya. Next up, and just look at this. This is all finished. Again, just arrived today from Banaras. So मैं इसको खोल के इसकी आपको entire beauty I'm going to show you. That's your piece, guys. That's your piece. Of course, हमारी जो finishing होती है, so now a piece like this, I'll tell you the whole process. Typically, बनारस में इसका पोत बनता है. Poth means the fabric that you're seeing. उसके बाद ये जाता है भुज, where of course the entire bandhni, and of course interiors में, where everyone's working. This is what you see. So it is meenakari and zari. Then you're going to see this 2-color bandhni bhuj which has gone, and then it finally goes back to Banaras for this beautiful finishing that you see. Now look at the effect. This zari is actually very light gold, but it appears to be silver because of the black color. And there it is. I'm showing you the whole piece right there. Stunning beauty. I love the fact there is this whole, diagonal lines ka play jo hai. It's absolutely beautiful. And you will see how each one of these pieces are going to look amazing on this chinia silk fabric that I'm wearing. चिनिया सिल्क एक प्योर सिल्क का वर्जन है जिसमें शीन होती है, जिसमें शाइन होती है और सॉफ्टनेस होती है. एंड यू कैन सी एंड इट पिक्स अप कलर वेरी ब्यूटिफुली. बहुत सारे कलर्स इसके आप देखने वाले हैं इन जस्ट अ बिट. बट बिफोर दैट आई एम शोइंग यू सम रियली रियली नाइस स्टेटमेंट पीसेज इन दुपट्टा. नेक्स्ट अप अगेन अ पैटनी. इसके बाद मैं एक और वापस आपको पैटनी दिखाऊंगी एंड देन आई विल कम टू आज का व्हाइट bandhni dupatta. So you've seen black, kesaria and white, and now this is your next patni dupatta, and there you go. Look at the color. It's all for you to see. Absolutely finished, and if you want or further softening of it, we can do it for you. But I think lot of time कई बार इसलिए मैंने आपको softening का बोला कि ये होता है कि मुझे इससे और थोड़ा आप इसको soft कर दो. But honestly, the whole sheen, that is the whole look. I can soften it. There is a process. But I think it looks absolutely and very, very soft. Okay, now on that question, look at this. This soft. So it is incredibly soft already. Look at the grace. It's absolutely stunning. 2 color options to pick up from. And you can see. Now, this one is a no figure design. There is no figure here. Only this stunning bale ka color. And pura iska jo play hai. Now, you can see that. So this is one patni dupatta, no figures, and of course I think the bandhni ones, the 2, they have no figures, so you don't have to worry about that. The 5th statement, the last dupatta, और इसके बाद हम शुरू करेंगे हमारा चिनिया bandhni is this, and ooh la la, it's amazing. And I think अब मुझे लगा यार I should have worn this. Look at that, the hot pink and this red white bandhni. This is such a speciality. It's such a time taking craft. Because when you do, see, I'll tell you what happens. Each knot is tied because ये जब पोत बनता है ये पूरा बेस में रेड होता है and ये हम रेड पे रेड बांधते हैं तो बहुत टाइम लगता है इसको बनाने के लिए. And then of course color cut के then this becomes the way it is. So there are many different ways of making these beautiful pieces. Look at that. I love the stunning effect, the tassels that you can see, and such a neon color. Now इसके साथ what are you going to be wearing? You're going to be wearing to me, this either, look at that, look at the meena. Isme either the sea green or either the hot pink. That's going to be the look for it, and that is just going to get enhanced by this base white. So अगर मेरे लिए अगर आप सूट का combination, if you're going to ask me, then it's going to be either the pink. If you want color, of course pink pe you can always see how it looks on pink, and I think it really brings out the beauty of this very, very stunning piece. One quick final glance of this. Take a screenshot and come on WhatsApp. How are you going to be placing the order? It's going to be all on WhatsApp. That's the thing. Now, okay, coming to the fabric that I'm wearing, it's a very hot pink. Valentino released it. We released it just before that. They had a season. It's amazing. It's this incredibly tough to make pink color. And it's so hot. So, yeah, you can say that it's a Valentino pink. Now, I'll tell you the whole story behind it. These colors are all handmade, created in Banaras. So depends on हम क्या palette choose कर रहे हैं. But this is what I'm wearing is an older piece from my older collection and called Nakshatra. And we have now extended it and made this beautiful palette. और जिसमें 18 colors है. Am I right? Yeah, you have 18 colors to choose from. The silhouette I'm wearing is of course all of this kali and थोड़ा सा. It's kind of loose sleeves, and it's like almost a full length. But what we're showing you now, and the great thing is that you can pick up this entire look just be combination में आप चाहें. You want 5 meter fabric, you want 2 meter fabric, you want 2.5 meter fabric, you want bottom plain, सब कुछ possible. You want only dupatta, okay, sure, that's also possible. So now look at this. This is our newer range. Nakshatra was one dupatta. But we've added more to it, and now these are the 12,800 dupattas. There is handwork, there's highlighting, there's everything. And I'm just, going to open each one of these. I'll try and open as many. Now if you're going to go for 2.5 meter kurta, 2.5 plain bottom and this dupatta, the set, and it's a good price, alag alag thoda zyada hai, it's 26,000. And we have 18 colors, so मैं बीच बीच में कुछ और भी दिखाऊंगी आपको, but just take a screenshot, just admire the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that color. It's so very, very hot. All in pure fabrics. And believe it or not, pure fabrics में इन colors को इस तरीके से बनाना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है. And you're going to see the whole look of it. It's absolutely beautiful. There is this whole touch. पूरा hand finished है. And सब कुछ ready है. Nothing is to be done. Now, the thing that we are doing, ये दुपट्टा is 12,800. Welcome to buy it alone. अच्छा, ये कुर्ता जो है इसका, this is 2250 per meter, and जो 3250 per meter, the Buta one, the plain one, और इसके साथ ready है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. In fact, I want to show you the full set because you know every time हमारे पास ready नहीं होता. Today everything is ready. Now you can see that kurta, bottom, dupatta, same color, chinia silk Buta, chinia silk plain, organza Buta with these beautiful handwork highlighting. All of it you can get it separately. We have a lot of palette for you to choose from. मैं of course थोड़ा सा quickly इसको दिखाऊंगी because the colors are amazing and each looking really really nice. मैं जरूर चाहूंगी that I want to show you as many colors that I can show you. And this one is such a beautiful shade of maroon. It's like a wine red, very very pretty. And look at that. अब जब आप ये पहन रहे there's nothing left. सब कुछ ready है. And these are, each color can be created. आपको 5 piece चाहिए, it can be done. So yes, it can be made. 18 colors for you to choose from. This is I think color number 4. And you can see this is such a soft pink color to each of these. Again, if you want tassels in the dupattas, then it will be extra. You can get it 2450. You say कि मुझे यार सिर्फ colors दुपट्टा चाहिए. Sure, maybe you have a nice suit. You say I want the whole look together. Then of course it is ready for you to go today. अच्छा 3 मीटर फैब्रिक अगर कुर्ते के लिए चाहिए, that's also possible. 3250 per meter kurta fabric, 2250 plain fabric, and if you want to go for a silhouette like the one I'm wearing, 5 to 6 meters for your kurta. And that's your set. Look at that. It's a wonderful shade of pink. बहुत सारे colors. But quickly we will show you all now. Look at that, a lavender, and it's such a perfect one. Now the whole, beauty of these colors is that they look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing. 12,800 ready to ship dupatta. These beautiful colors, or suit bottom sub ready. Now you can see the whole impact when you wear it. Just that slight sheerness, transparency, which just kind of adds to it. You're making nice pieces. You're wearing it. It looks beautiful. So that's one color to it, and I'll show you the next color, and then iske baad I'm going to show you our premium Munga sets which have just come, and I'm going to show you that. But first things first, now this one, look at that. This one is again a shade of purple, very close to the jamun color, very very pretty. These dupattas will go a long way. You can dress them up, you can keep it simple. There are many ways. Jitna aap isko heavy dress karoge, you can wear a lot of jewelry and it becomes a very dressy outfit. So 26,000 में अगर आप पूरा से 2.5 मीटर plain, 2.5 मीटर बूटा and दुपट्टा, very nice Banarsi set all in pure, all ultra soft, ultra wearable. You can get it. Now the question on is Munga and Archinia, are they season friendly for this heat? They are pure fabrics. They're very very breathable. And they can be worn in any season. Katan, when you see Katan ki sheen is very different, and I have Katan with me today. I will show you that. So, कई बार उस पे question आता है, but yesterday a very dear client, she was here and we were talking about every time we are indoor और अगर showy कुछ अच्छा पहनना है तो what other than silk, बहुत versions है. This is chinia silk and इसके सारे versions, and now I'm going to show you next, as I said, Munga silk, ultra soft. This is the dupatta. Well, this is a suit in fact that we have launched last week in one beautiful design. Now we have a beautiful new color that we are launching, and just look how pretty and perfect it looks. And I'm just going to open it for you. Now the whole, oh look at that. This is our premium Munga silk Meena Kari suit, and I think it's exquisite with the Meena, with the detailing. Now you can see the whole dupatta right there finished. Everything in Munga silk. It's the perfect color for any season, but especially this one. Now that's your look. Kurte mein bhi pura meena hai, you know, the karwa buta. It's all there. So you can see this, and then you can see this lovely dupatta right there. Let me just show it to you. Look at that. That's your look. And of course, the tassels add so much to it. Everything is perfectly finished. That's your look. And this is your plain bottom. That's your piece for you. Look at that. The kurta, dupatta, and the bottom. We will kind of ship it right away. Now, prices on request. Now, the other piece that I'm going to show you is iska signature color, which is the natural color. Each very beautiful. I will leave it up to you. You know, what is it that you like more? Now, look at that. Here it is. That's the dupatta. Let's open it up. This is the natural color, and yes, we have dyed that color. So, now you say, yaar, mere man mein ek color hai. You know, somebody was asking me, I wanted a, sage, green. I said, surely we'll do it for you. You know, it will look amazing. Any light color. But natural ki to kuch alag hi baat hoti hai hamesha, and that's your piece for you. So, these two are the Munga silk suit sets which are ready to go out today. And क्योंकि हम कतान के बात पे थे, so we launched a new motif last week, and that's this. And this is the newest motif that we are working on, and it's a beautiful shade of navy blue. You know, you cannot get enough of this color. It happens to be my favorite color in Katan silk. Now, iska of course ek aur color hai which I'm going to show you. There you go. So that's the orange, that's the pink. Pure Katan silk, Sona Rupa, as premium as it gets. And I'm going to also show you the look in it. When you're wearing something as amazing as this, all you will need is just a nice, you can wear dupatta. Just wear it as a nice kurta and plain silk pants, and it will look stunning. Choose this. Choose some hotness for this season and go orange. It's amazing. Guys, somebody's saying come to Pune. I will come everywhere, guys. But you, Pune and everybody here, you have to come to Maharashtra. You're in Maharashtra. Where do you have to come? So you have to come to our studio. Our studio is always open for your visits. Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. We're always here. But apart from that, of course, all over the world. That's where we ship. We ship all over the world. COD is available throughout India. We have the most exquisite collections of silks, Banarsi. You can see the gorgeousness right there. So pick up any suit, fabric, dupatta. You want a plain bottom with it, we'll do it. You want a matching dupatta, that can also be done. So look at that. Absolute stunningness. So lots of such colors. Of course, Chinia ki story baki. We'll go back to it. But before that, I want to show you one season look. Again, a brand new piece for you to see. Lightweight, it's like air, it's stunning, it's hot, and we've done a Munga silk suit set in this. It kind of instantly was, it went out, and then, everybody wanted that. Now this, just see the color. This base is Georgette, this beautiful motif right there. And yes, ka lightweight dupatta, here it is. And you can see what's amazing is this, striking blue and green meena, or of course base color. Iska bottom bhi ready hai. So this is a ready piece to go out. Tassels if you want, again it's extra, so you can check that. Now next things up, we'll do some cotton suits that we have in our Karwa range, and then we'll continue with some of the colors, and then I'll take another break with Katan silk fabrics in Meenakari, and one very, very beautiful pure cotton suit set which is also coming up. Now very quickly, ये season है Karwa suits cotton में with Meenakari, and we just have got these suits which I have to show you. So there they are. Look at that, Karwa with touch of Meena in the lightest, softest pink and with gold zari. And they are, if you love something which is subtle, which is beautiful, so very classy, this piece is for you. Yes, and remember this, let anybody not tell you otherwise, pure cotton के जो pieces होते हैं वो सबसे महंगे होते हैं. So that is something you have to remember. And today we have two range of that. This is one range, or इससे one is much higher, which will also I'll show you. That also, is a recent, newest pieces are just come. So the second color I'll show it to you. Now look at that. That's a stunning white and green meena, and it's so pretty. It's perfect for all season and especially this one. So इसमें ये है आप पहने, and the last piece in this colors is this one. Now this one, here it is, and I think it's absolutely amazing. The whole touch of hot pink. It's one ivory, very beautiful look, and iska bottom, there is the bottom, and these can be shipped out today. They're all ready, so you can have them today. These are from, yes, so there is, this is premium cotton, which means एक fabric चंदेरी cotton है, एक fabric इसमें silk है, which is why it looks amazing. But it is, the whole look and feel is of cotton itself, because that's why we make it. That's how we make it. Now more colors in chinia. That's the fabric that I'm also wearing. You're going to see the most amazing set of colors coming up in it. All season, her season mein pehne, her color options plenty. Look at the detailing on the dupatta. We started showing you some colors now. These dupattas on their own, they're 12,800. You want to go for the full suit. Iska in fact bottom, I want to show you. बॉटम भी रेडी है. एंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं कि प्लेन चिनिया कैसा लगता है डाई होके, और बूटा कैसा लगता है. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. दिस इज योर फुल सेट रेडी टू गो टुडे, एंड लुक एट द ब्यूटी. आई वांट टू शो यू द डिटेलिंग. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शो. सो रियली प्रीटी. मोर कलर्स नाउ ईच. अच्छा, ये जो पीसेज है सब में हमारे पास एक कलर रेडी रहता है, यू नो, एंड देन इट इज मेड ऑन ऑर्डर. सो दैट्स द डील. So when it's made on order, हो सकता है motif change हो दुपट्टे का भी और कुर्ते का भी. That is always going to happen. So yeah, you can see. Oh, what a stunning color. 26,000 for this suit set, which means this handcrafted beautiful dupatta, and then इसमें and this is 2.5 meter length, 2.5 meter kurta and bottom. And if you say that you want to buy, oh look at that. So you can also do mix and match. So it also looks really good. You can do that. And tassels can also be added. Tassel की charges अलग हैं. And उससे ज़्यादा time लगता है. Okay, now this one is the color that I'm wearing. You can see it right there. And it's hot, it's beautiful. And there you can see it right there. Again, plain bottom done hai. This is the plain bottom. This is the exact color, as you can see. And I'm also going to open the dupattas and after this. So now you can see the full look right there. So look at that. You know, this is what we do. We make the most beautiful Banarsis for you, showcasing a large collection of dupattas, fabrics. We ship it worldwide. And of course, if you're in India, we do have COD for you. The easiest way to place your order with us is on COD. So you can just do it on COD. You can place it on WhatsApp only. Now, the next color that we have for it is this beautiful color. I want to show you one more color very quickly. We'll show you this natural color, but then we'll also show you this. Now look at that. That's the dustier color. So you're seeing the hot color, but then you're seeing this next one. So very pretty. I love. So you can see both the colors together. You can really appreciate the beauty of this piece. And there you go. Here it is. So you can see that. Now more colors coming up. But look at that. That's your full look when you wear any one of these. They're going to look exactly like this when they're stitched. So that's the whole look for you. Now let's go on to the next, and this is your next one. This is the mango color, and this is, you know, it's not like a mango, it's actually a shade of orange. So you can see that again, the boota, और इसमें bottom भी है. So you can see the bottom, and there you go. That's the full look for you. So couple of dupattas जो मैं जल्दी से आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. Probably I don't have the, you know, suits ready at the moment, but yeah, very very pretty. Go for the dupatta, go for the full look. Green. Now I think green and pink always so good together. But you can, yes, you can go for it for a full suit and just tell us, and we will dye it in the same way. और मैं सारे ये जो colors हैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. How are you to go about it? You're just going to take a screenshot, guys, and come to us and take, you know, place your order on WhatsApp. Each one of these 12,800, and this is a pink, very, you know, just the same way that I was wearing. जिसको मैं अलग रख रही हूँ. Now I'm going to show you the blues, and I have, look at that. I think every color so stunning, guys. You're going to find it difficult to pick up one. Now 26,000 for 2.5 kurta, dupatta and bottom. अलग अलग आप लेते हैं, and if you want to take more of it, kurta 3250 per meter, dupatta 12,800, plain bottom, 2250 per meter. I like this blue. I like this blue. What to do? Now I'm going to show you one more blue. There you go. This is the lighter blue, and you will, of course, it's so perfect. You'll get a nice suit with it. It'll look amazing. You say, you know, I want more ghera. Give me 5 meters. Done. We'll do that. So really customizable in that ways कि आप अपने मीटर साइज आप पूरा प्लेन सूट ले लें, पूरा बूटा ले लें, दुपट्टा ना लें या ले. You know, both options are there. Now one really nice one, and this is again, of course, Chinia silk. That's the base. Look at this beautiful look that I'm going to show you. Here it is. You can see that with a very stunning dupatta. Now first thing first, look at this. This is a pura hand detail because we had so many, so we thought we'll just show you this. This is a really nice gotapati work which we have done on our Chinia silk, and what a lovely color. Iske saath iska plain bottom, that's the plain bottom. So that's the suit. You say, I just want a suit, I have a nice dupatta to go along with it, surely. Let's see one dupatta na iska contrast mein koi ja raha hai kya, you know, and that's the dupatta. Now this one, the most beautiful Sona Rupa Georgette dupatta, a classic 26,800, and you know, that's one really nice good option. Koi contrast mein bhi chalega. We can do the gold, yeah. So that I think is a very, very pretty look. So you can see. But you say, you know, I want a lighter dupatta. This is 26,800. Or maybe you say, I want this alag. And now I'll show you. I think this is so... This happens to be one of my most favorite combination. And look at this. This is this deep, deep red color and a gold dupatta. I think it's perfect with it. It looks so pretty, so classic, matching the gold of it, and here it is. Look at that. Now, there you go. And that's one thing, and lots of different pieces that are coming up. Now, let's show you. Organza, Chinia fabric, all very, very different fabrics to each other. Katan silk, also very different. But what we always try is to do a mix of all so that you can really find your piece. Suppose you say, yaar, mujhe wo aisa nahi chahiye. So, no worries. If you come in alive, we will show you everything that's possible. Now, look at that. That's the Munga silk fabric, 7,200 per meter, Meenakari. And along with it, this beautiful organza dupatta. Okay, now you can see that. So, this is 18,800 and it's just perfection in contrast. Let's open it up for you. And if you haven't seen this collection of dupatta, you must. It's absolutely beautiful. We'll direct you to the live that's there. And that's your look that you're going for. Now you can go same on same, 5 meter, or you can do a plain Munga bottom. That would also look really nice along with it. Or, मैं इसके साथ दिखाऊंगी. Now one more color. Here it is. Now this one, very, very pretty. This is the shaded. Oh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? So this one and this one. Now look at that. That's your combination that you're going for. I think again, you can do a plain Munga, which is 2450, the bottom, and it will look really good. We are based in Mumbai and we're always here. But the best way to shop from us, truly, is watch our lives, come on WhatsApp, place your order. That's it. We will ship it to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. And it's so convenient, so easy. There's nothing. You will never, you can never go back from this way of shopping. It's so easy made with us that, yes, very super simple, super easy, shipping worldwide with COD, with payment links, and bringing beautiful Banarasi suit fabric dupattas, and of course, all unstitched to you at your doorstep. We are based in Mumbai, and yes, hum duniya bhar mein ship karte hain, so it's really, really good. We have clients all over the world, which is, yes, such a great thing. Now look at that. That's your kurta, that's your bottom. Here it is. And I think it's really pretty. So 3 color options in it, and I think we are almost at the end. So we are going for the couple of last colors जो है. अब इस बार ना मैं इसको निकाल के आपको दिखाती हूँ. I want to open it and show it to you. Now that we are almost done, I always feel, अरे वाह, now I have time. Okay, we have I think some couple of silk fabrics, right? So look at that. That's your Chinia silk with Buta. So this is what I have. Now इसका ये है bottom. It's such a electric hot color. I think, you must, guys, not worry about what, I'll tell you one thing, बहुत जो होता है, I want to talk about it is मेरे पे अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं color. I think it's such a, you should not ask that question you should not question yourself, right? If you like the piece, आप हमसे पूछे, अपने family से, husband से, friend से, you know, whatever, just wear it. Don't worry about suit करेगा ही करेगा. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो you should wear it. That's it. You know, a lot of people say, अरे मुझे डल कर देता. How can it, you know, dim your beauty? It cannot. It will just go really well. If you like it, then just go for it. What an incredible combination. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Now, you say, you know, I want something very, very classy. मुझे colors पसंद है, but right now I'm looking for something very classy. Then go for this. This is such a beautiful gold color. I'm just trying to put the bottom separate so that you can see. And this very lovely dupatta iska. This dupatta, I think it's an absolute essential because ये इतने colors में जाएगा that, you know, it kind of really makes sense. Now look at that, you can see, right? If you have this dupatta, you'll be able to wear it with so many things. Now, we're going to go on to the last few things that we have. First things first, I want to show a nice, stunning, newer collection that we've been working on, which is pure cotton. And you can hear the crispness, you can hear, you know, the whole, it's just come from the loop. In fact, मैं आप ही के सामने ही खोलने वाली हूँ. And there you go. I've opened it in front of you. Our purest cotton suit sets. Look at that. Look at the red. It's a suit set. So remember, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो हम अलग अलग देते हैं. जैसे the one that you're seeing now, you can just get it separately. Like the nakshatra, or you know, this version of nakshatra that we are showing you, you can just go for it separately. There's never an issue. आप उसमें कुर्ता बढ़ाए, कम ले, bottom ले, ना ले, दुपट्टा ले, all of that. बट ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन ये प्योर यू नो दीज आर सूट सेट्स जो हमने एक साथ लूम पे ही बनवाए हैं. सो दीज ऑफ कोर्स आर गोइंग टू बी सेट्स. दिस इज आवर मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल newest collection in pure cotton. You can see the beauty right there, the tassels, the whole look of it, made in pure cotton. Kurta in Sona Rupa, dupatta in Sona Rupa, and also the greatest thing is that we have woven the bottom, and this is, you know, you can see all of it together. This is the kurta that you're seeing. Look at that. इसका एक color हमने launch किया था I think last week, and this is the second color that you're seeing. Look at that. This is pure cotton, and this is your kurta, this is your dupatta. These are of course most premium because ये चीजें ही ऐसी होती है. You know, pure cotton अगर बनेगा तो yes, it will look like this, feel like this. And sometimes you just have to kind of try it to see and experience what it means. You know, look at that. What the first collection हमने इसका पूरा as a suit set launch किया था वो सांजी का था, which was done you know last year. I'm trying to show you the bottom. That's why this is the bottom fabric. So what we have also done when we made Sanji, we didn't make the bottom with it. This is also the border that comes with it. So we got a lot of feedback that it's a beautiful suit and we love it. We have it, we love it. What we would like to go for is the bottom also to be made with the same fabric. And I get that, you know, it absolutely makes sense. So that's what we did in the second collection of pure cotton suits. We've done that. We made the bottom along with it. So that's one color. I have a purple as well. You can check it out. Most premium in pure cotton suit set. Now the last bit, you can never have enough of silk. So I'm going to show you some beautiful silk fabric. Look at that in Meena. अब you know इनके जो colors हैं वो मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको. इनका I will also talk about how you can use it, what you can do with it. But first let me just show you now this one, classic cream color. Oh, look at that. The screen filling up with colors. That's the beauty of the Meena of this. Pure Kattan silk. This is our premium range of fabrics. This broad border right here. You can see it. Now make sure that when you're dressing up and styling your piece, this border is used. चाहे नीचे, चाहे side में, चाहे गले पे. It's a broad border. It will also look absolutely wonderful if you do it as an anarkali or as a lehenga like this. इनमें दुपट्टे हम आपको दे देंगे matching में. You don't have to worry about that. For the styling reference of this, just ask us and we'll show it to you from our premium collections of silk fabrics, which can be used as a lehenga, as an anarkali, as a suit, and you know, I've styled it as a suit, one of the other designs in this, so you can take a reference. And basically just multi-purpose, do beautiful jackets, use this, use it niche. If you're doing a jacket look and then you've used this border, you can use it on your pants also. So you can do a same on same. It'll look amazing as well on it. And I have lots of colors for you to choose from. Now if you say I don't want to go same on same, then we'll do the plain silk bottom for you. Now look at that here. इस तरफ floral border है और इस तरफ plain है. So make sure that you use both. It's given there. Now, you know, yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. The colors, the meena, the joy of wearing it, you cannot compare it. Now, two last colors which are evergreen, and look at that. Here it is. Oh, the meena is in front of you to see. The beauty is absolutely incredible. The colors. This is pure Kattan silk. So that's the fabric that you're seeing. You can go for a plain Kattan bottom. You can go for a Chinia silk bottom, like the one that we're showing you. That also works pretty fine with it if you don't want to spend too much. But of course, and then a black. So you have the whole range in this: the cream, the blue, the purple, the black, and the red. All of these colors from our premium silk, Kattan silk collection, because you can never have enough of it. And I'm going to just show you the last two colors from the collection that we are doing in it. Acha hai isme. So okay, so we'll show you all the remaining colors that we have. And what a beautiful red. Look at that. I think it's gorgeous. Oh, look at that. You know, now this, I am now feeling that, you know, you should also try contrast. Like you can wear a red and pink. Of course, full red look to hai hi right here. But I think, you know, even some contrast also looks really, really good. As you can see, the green, the blues, all looking really, really nice. Now, for the next one, this is a little, you know, from the dustier palette. 18 colors for you to choose from. You know, we have all the colors that you've been looking for, you know, for dressing up this season in beautiful Banaras. Just look at that. This is a dustier mauve shade. The you know, the third last color. So basically right now you're on the 16th color that we have. We've shown you. This is a pearl pink and very, very light pink color. So this is a pink color, guys. Don't forget. And I'm going to show you this. Just take a screenshot and come on WhatsApp and place your order. That's the best way to kind of go for it. This is, you know, very, very nice pink, pearl pink color. Beautiful red. Now, ye ekdam hot red color hai. So this one is like really hot. You saw the cherry red. You saw the deeper colors. Ye pura bright red color hai. So if you're in the mood, and look at the dupatta. It's so pretty. Each one of these dupattas, 12,800. Big motive या भरा हुआ motive, दोनों option है. If you're very particular about it, ask us which you're going to get, because हमारे पास, you know, of course we get only one piece ready. उसके बाद सब order पे बनता है. So that's your suit. One very nice red suit if you've been looking for that. The very last color, and that's the lavender. Look at that. Here it is, the lilac or lavender as you may call it. And look at this. I feel if you're wearing it, you should go for the whole look right there. So some colors, जैसे green है, the deep maroon, the gold, they're very flexible. They will look nice on all colors. But कुछ जो colors हैं, you should see that and you should go for it exactly matching it. So I think that's a very, very nice look. Thank you guys for joining us so much in the live today. It was always amazing to do it. Lots of collection for us to show you. Some stunning statement dupattas. Cotton suits, munga suits, all of that. That's what we're showcasing to you. Thank you. The lives are posted on Instagram and Facebook. दोनों ही जगह आप देखिए और WhatsApp पे आइए. This is also the last live of this week. So go for it and find your best favorite piece, guys. Thank you so much and I will see you later soon.